Are you an NDIS provider or community care business, juggling too many software subscriptions? Meet ShiftSync Pro. Stop paying separately for form builders, booking calendars, and rostering tools. We bring everything together in one affordable platform. Manage your team with ease using smart rostering, direct shift allocation, and instant shift broadcast to your staff. Your field team can clock in and out with GPS verification, record progress notes, and track expenses and kilometers on the go. Build custom intake forms, incident logs, and checklists with our powerful built-in form builder designed for NDIS compliance. Manage appointments with ease and sync directly with Google, Apple, and Outlook calendars for seamless scheduling. Automate your invoicing for participants and staff, and sync everything with Xero to keep your accounts in perfect sync. Rest easy knowing your data is securely hosted right here in Sydney, Australia, with built-in reports and dashboards. Simplify your operations and save on software costs today. ShiftSync Pro is the all-in-one solution you've been looking for. Start your trial today. Download ShiftSync Pro or visit shiftsyncpro.com.au.